Here we go. There's the aftermath. I'm left with a bit of sheep shit. And a few strands of wool. So thankfully all good. Alright folks, I'm out in the YZF-R 125 today. I've stuck a muff on this mic and I also tinted this screen, which looks actually alright from afar. It's far from perfect, but it looks better than the shitty scratched up clear one that was on it. So we'll get moving and see how this mic shapes up at speed. This is bizarre. Talk about timing. I'd swear that was Chris back there from the Basic Bikers. I'd swear he's got a jazz sticker on the front of his screen. Better a sticker than a bit of jazz, to be fair. So hey folks, hope these are all well. I'm out on the YZF-R 125 for a little spin before my dinner. So I just thought I'd take a run down the Muirkirk as I do, maybe catch a bit of footage. Hopefully avoid the sheep obviously this time. So I'm quite impressed with the footage I'm getting off this camera so far. I've done a sound check without the dead cat on the mic. So I've got one on today. I'll see how it goes. Hey biker dude. Oh wow. What a day it is. Stunning. So Applecross is coming soon. I've got enough batteries and power packs and shit like that to keep me powered up. Since the last time I done Applecross back in 2019 in my car, I was filming on a Sony Ericsson, or just a Sony phone, and the plug-in port to charge it from the USB was dead shaky and worn, so I'd left it charging overnight and it hadn't been charging, so I missed like a whole day footage, which was quite annoying. So I'll film most of the journey, I imagine. I'm going to try and hopefully, fingers crossed, get a full 4K video of going both ways on the Applecross Pass. Because you go one way, then you go over to the campsite, and you obviously if you're camping there, you come back over the same way the following day. Fingers crossed I might even get an extra couple of little runs at it if I've got the chance. So if the weather's like this, it's going to be glorious. It'll be glorious. Although it's a bit sweaty today in the leathers. I've got my leather RST Blade jacket on today. So that'll be bizarre if that's the Basic Bikers. I've just seen the... nobody who watches my channel has ever heard of the Basic Bikers. I'm looking down at my keyring, but it's not on this, it's on my MT. The Basic Bikers is a Facebook group, YouTube channel mostly. They'd have Snapchat and Instagram. Don't actually quote me if they do have Snapchat, I might have just made that bit up. So check them out, they do some awesome videos showing you their runs and stuff about Scotland, around Ayrshire and various other spots, down the borders, and they've got a drone, which is a big bonus in my opinion, although they should use it way more often than they do. Hint hint lads, take the hints. So check them out. Also somebody to check out is Lochwood. So I thought I'd try the Lochwood challenge today, which is 6 gear. See how slow you can go. Oh, look at that, 23. I've beat his 29 already. 22, 21, 20. Oh, I'm not going any slower than that. There we go, mate. 20. Cheers. There you go, folks. Go and check out Lochwood. Great channel. He's got a Honda VFR 750 and a Honda CB 1000R. Some great content on his channel. It's only been going about a year, and you're doing awesome, dude. So keep it up. Cheers.